welcome back to our channel. This is Alannis from Krah TV and you're watching Alannis Asks. I'm not doing my introduction in my usual background because we're now here at the summer capital of the Philippines, the Baguio city. And for today's video, we are now here at the Baguio Airport because we're visiting the DPWH cross-drain project. So as you can see, I'm now in the middle of the runway. So now let's take a look and join me as I interview one of the site engineers of this project. Let's go! Here, the project engineer of this cross-drain project. So hi Sir Brian, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. Good morning.
So okay Sir Brian, kailan po nag-start yung project na ito?
So, nag-start tong project na to noong March 26, 2022 under implementing agency is the DPWH Baguio.
That was great. So what is the purpose of this project?
The purpose of this project is to minimize yung flood galing dito sa access area.
Okay, for my last question po Sir Brian, what is the diameter and the length po?
So yung diameter nitong pipe is nasa 2 meters and then yung length niya is 81 meters.
So there you have it. Thank you Sir Brian for your